So today we're going to download the software which we are going to use to control our pocket drone. Please search for E58 pocket drone, then download eMachine FPV. As you can see, it's downloading. This is the particular one you're going to use. Downloading here. Wait for it to finish downloading so you can install. Since the file is a little bit big, so it's taking time to download, but it will soon finish. Yes, it's installing on our phone. Before you use this, you make sure that you connect your drone through Wi-Fi. You search for it, but here I'm going to show you how you're going to use this before connecting your drone. Good. This is the app. You tap on play, but this is the setting, and tap on play. This instruction: turn on the product, enter setting. This is supposed to be setting. Turn off your mobile device, turn off Wi-Fi, find that's all Wi-Fi connection until connected. Open the software, click this, and the interface will go. It's a self-explanatory. The instruction is not hard. So this is how it works. This control interface: return, take photo, record video, media. Remember, I have to insert card on it so that I can record. Menu, camera flip, attitude hold, headless, gyro calibrate, virtual reality, takeoff landing, this speed, gravity sensor mode, off on visual rocker, emergency, that track rules, voice and lock. Make sure I insert memory card on the drone, though you can still work recording your phone. So this is the throttle, left throttle, right throttle, and this is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Number 1 is throttle, 2 and 3 is right, left row, 4 and 5 left, right, 6, 7 forward, backward. This right throttle, the same number. 8, 9 forward, backward trim, 10, 11 left, right row trim, 12, 13 left, right trim. So please just take your time and go through this. This is how you operate it. So this left locker and right locker. This goes up, this goes down. You can see how it will behave. This is left row, right row. The right rocker, this goes forward, this goes backward. See the difference? This up and down, this forward and backward, and this and this. The difference between this and this particular one is that When you hold the rocker here, it's going this way, but when you hold it here, it seems the drone is trying to rotate along the axis, but turning left and right. So, what I understand what I mean? What I mean is that this left throw or right throw will try to rotate it a little bit. If you go left, you rotate left. Go right, you rotate right. Unlike this left and right goes right or left. The same thing here. This up and down. This forward, backward, and same thing here. So you understand the difference. So this is the track route. You can track the track route. So this symbol is for track route. You will track that. So you'll see the track route as is moving. This is virtual reality. Some of you guys know virtual reality is mostly used on PC and every other places. Virtual reality. So go through the instructions again and see how it works. You have to master this very well, because if you make a mistake, man, the drone can crash or something else might happen and you will lose the money. If you are not lucky, or you buy some parts and replace. So go through this again, and when you are moving this rocker, you have to move it very slowly. Don't make it fast. Make it fast, man, the drone will just disappear. So this left throttle mode, up, down, this way, left, right. So left row, right row, forward, backward also. So we're back here again. So what we're going to do now, we check and play, and then go through that once again. This setting, you set how you want it to be. Good, we're here. This is our camera video. We'll tap that, the camera will snap. This is media. Tap on media. The video. Good. Then this is our media. This is the percentage. Remember what this is called. From that, if you don't remember, go back and see it again. Setting, the visual reality, gyro. Tap on it again. Gyro. Okay, you can see it. And this guy. So this is it. You draw this one to here. If you want to start this now, you're going to drag this way. That is diagonal. Okay, if you want to activate it, drag it this way, and this one this way. This and this at the same time. Then if you want to start the drone engine, this will go this way, while this will go this way. So this will come diagonal at the left, this will come diagonal at the right at the same time. So when you're operating it, so look at this 360 flip. Remember, some functions here is only when you're a professional that you can use them. You can't start using them while you're still at a primary stage. You're still trying to know how to use the function. Otherwise, your drone will disappear on the thing. And before you land, you press emergency landing. You may land on the air or on top of tree or top of house. It may take you time to find it. So that is it for the software. Make sure you connect it through Wi-Fi before it gets activated. Look at how it works. It's just like the joystick. Look, when you go this way, you calibrate it. Then when this one goes this one goes this way, the engine will start. When this one goes this way and this one goes this way, if the engine is on, the engine will off. So that is how it works. Remember it. So I've seen, let me take it once again. If you take this one this way and this one at the same time, this way, the engine will start.